Today we're going to be making these really cute fridge magnets out of baby jar lids. I selected a sheet with generic pictures on it, but you can select any picture you'd like. And what we're going to do is grab the baby jar lid, and we're going to put it upside down. I have already went ahead and glued with the E6000 glue. I have glued the magnet down to the top of the lid, and simply trace out your image. I have a piece of foam underneath so that this doesn't destroy whatever is under this project. Simply cut it out and then pop the image and press down in the center, and then get all your corners in nice and neat. And that's it. This set of 10 picture magnet frames will be listed in my shop. If you'd like to take a look, there will be a link below. Thanks so much for watching my video.